Hey guys, we are now outside our building, right in the back. And this is right in front of the Eastwood Mall. So pretty much they have everything in here. That's the Richmond Hotel. You see they're doing some type of painting in there. That's so scary. And also very convenient because they already have the super market here, and we are trying to go to Cyber Mall. They also have like a trolley that goes around the community. And hello sir, our Mr. Guard here. That's the Eastwood Richmond Hotel. Hey, how are you guys? And that is the hotel. That's our building. So it's pretty cool. They also have Max restaurant. It's just outside, right behind our building. So pretty much they have everything here. And lots of restaurant above, bars that they are open 24/7. They also have the cinemas there, Banchon, and that's what they call it, angkas. So there you go. Double digits. And very convenient. Yeah, they also have TGI Friday. And then if you go that way, that's the mall right in front of the our building. Frankie's, New York Buffalo Wings. It's only 10 o'clock, so they're not open yet, pretty much. And maybe after 11, that will catch up a lot of, you know, these restaurants. But oh, gusto niya daw bumili. Oh, siya. Yan. May gusto niya raw bumili ng unit.
May unit tayo dito, sir. May
Ha?
unit ka dito.
Oh, yan, nandyan. Sa Tower 2.
Baka sa kabilang side naman. Baka wala ka ba sa side naman.
No, I'm good na. Alright, so that's a 24/7. That's where we normally hang out. Salamanca. Sierra another. Also have it with us. Yala. And then I don't know, they're having some a kiosk there. This is the one that I'm waiting for to open up. It's the Kabalan Il Only Can. That's Auntie's favorite, Busog Sulit. That a city walk. You can go. That's another mall. Yan. Sorry guys, kagagaling ko lang ng gym, so pick up coffee here, mga convenient cafes and restaurants. Ayan si Kuya Jay, masarap kaya yan. Pagkain nila, lalo na yung halo-halo. Yan. May Popeyes din. Ayan na si Gil, napagod na. Hinihintay niya ako. Bibili daw siya ng isang unit, sabi ng mama. Oh. May Kentucky Fried Chicken, Yellow Cup Pizza, Ayan, busy sila sa mga phone nila. Yan. Dito naman sa kabila, KFC. And this is one of my favorite local restaurants. And this is where we always eat. Call it Pancit Lukban. Buddy's Longganisa Lukban. There. Always go here. Oh. Pero sirado pa yata sirado pa sila. Hindi na, open na kasi may nang kumakain. Yan. Ito ang pinakabagong building yata dito eh. Dito kami pupunta sa Cyber Mall. Yan. Malinis, ano? Oh. Yan, tinur na kita dito sa Eastwood City. Yan, Cyber and Fashion Mall. That's where we're gonna go. Yan, parang busy sila ngayon dito eh. Busy sila. Yan, pwede mong lakarin sa lahat kung saan mo gusto. Punta ka ng bangko, punta ka ng grocery store, nandyan na lahat. Eto, another mall. Yan. Pero dito kami pupunta. Kasi bibili daw si Gil ng ng screen protector ng phone niya. Good morning. Oh, tatlo pa sila dyan na naka-guard, ha? Oh, bago ka pumasok. Yan, sa loob ng mall na ito. At dito nagpapalinis si Gil. Diyan. Parati. Basta pumupunta siya rito. Yan. Ay, sarado pa yata siya, Gil. Ito ang punteriya ni Gil.
Open na kayo?
Yan. Si Ading. Kung gusto mo nang magpa-wax, dito ka na rin. Yan. Barbershop. Lahat na nandito na. Yeah. I think 100. 100. Huh? How much? No, 100. 100 lang. Ito.
Magkano po?
100.
100?
Dito, oo. Kasi nagkumuha ko ng SIM.
Ordinary po.
Yeah. Ordinary ba yan? Kaya 100?
Kaya rin po kasi full screen siya. Hanggang dito na po siya. Para less po nagkaka.
Yeah. So magkano? 250?
200 po na. 50 pesos lang difference sir full screen.
Yeah, it's the same thing. It's clear.
Yung gaya
I want mine. I want mine. It's clear. Yan. Diyan nagpapalinis si kami ng mukha. Flawless. Yan. Mayroon pa sa third floor. Maaga pa kaya konti pa ang tao. May kainan din dyan sa third floor. Simply dim sum, mayroon din sila dyan. Pero hindi pa sila open so early yet. Ayan, Ramen Kuroda. Then, hanggang doon. Pero, bababa na ako. Alright guys, that's it. Maganda dito. Oh, napakalinis. Ayan.
150 daw, Andrew.
O sige, ayan na. Alright. Sige na. Talk to you guys later. Bye for now.